Hi guys, today we're taking a look at the first wireless gaming earbuds from PlayStation. This is the Pulse Explore. It's compatible with a PS5, PlayStation Portal, PC, Mac and any device with Bluetooth like a mobile. Details are in the description below, including purchasing links. So I'll be taking a closer look at the design, the features it has, together with testing out the sound quality and mic, highlighting any pros and cons, helping you to decide if it's worth buying or not. But before I begin, if you're new to the channel, hope you can support me by subscribing and hitting the bell icon to get notified of my next release. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Let's start by unboxing this and take a look at what you get in the packaging. You get a card with instructions on how to set up the earbuds, the Pulse Explore case, which has a plastic cover around it. Underneath you have a USB-C to USB-A charging cable, a PlayStation Link USB adapter which has the PlayStation logo and symbols on it, and this has an inbuilt button for pairing. You just push on the dongle to press it, and a selection of different size ear tips. Let's take a closer look at the case and the earbuds. Removing the plastic cover, you get the case which has the same black and white color theme as the PlayStation 5, with the case being slightly bigger than I expected. It has a USB-C port on the side for charging and an LED underneath when sliding the door open or close. The front slides across to open, which reveals the Pulse Explore wireless earbuds inside. Looking at the back, you can see the sliding bar. Inside, between the earbuds, you have a small link button that pairs to the PS Portal directly and to the USB link adapter. And you also have the left and right indicators for your earbuds. The earbuds also have the same black and white PlayStation 5 theme. They have a curved L-shaped design with some nice little details on them, like the PlayStation symbols surrounding the connectors, the PlayStation logo on the front, and the left and right indicators on the bottom. They both have a volume control toggle, a PS Link button, and an integrated microphone on each earbud. One of the biggest features on the earbuds is the planar magnetic drivers. They say this next generation gaming audio allows lifelike sound when gaming, providing near perfect accuracy and enhanced subtle details. So it'll be interesting to see how they perform, and we'll test them out in a bit. On first impressions, the earbuds look really nice, feeling premium, and I like the fact that they both have controls and an integrated microphone. They have a number of different ear tips which help to get the right fit, and this also helps with the audio to get a better sound quality. They feel pretty comfortable to wear, fitting well inside my ear. Connectivity wise, the earbuds can be connected via Bluetooth or via the PlayStation Link, which is a lightning fast lossless audio connection available on the PlayStation Portal but not on the PlayStation 5, hence why they provide the USB link adapter. You also have the ability for dual connectivity, so being able to listen to audio from a device connected via the PlayStation Link and Bluetooth, so you can be gaming on your PlayStation and still take calls or listen to music on your mobile. The USB link adapter can also be used on a PC or Mac for a lossless audio connection, and with this you still have dual connectivity via Bluetooth. You can purchase the USB link adapters separately, with you being able to have 8 USB link adapters connected to different devices and paired to the earbuds, and you're able to toggle between each one using the link button directly from the earbud. Now this could be quite useful if you're planning to use the earbuds on multiple devices, so you don't, for instance, have to remove the link adapter if you wanted to use with a PC. Just buy an additional one and plug it into your PC. And one of the things worth mentioning is that if you've got these earbuds paired with your PlayStation Portal, you can't toggle between your Portal and your PS5. You'd have to disconnect it from your Portal and then turn it off before pairing it to your PlayStation 5, as it stays connected to your Portal. But just to note, when you pair again with your PS5, remember to initially press on the dongle for the earbuds to pair again. Now out of the box, the PlayStation Pulse Explore is ready with good detailed sound, providing a good amount of bass, which is deep and clear. There isn't any software that comes with this to adjust and tweak any of the audio settings, but it does support 3D audio on your PlayStation, so you can adjust the 3D profile via your PS5. Testing out the sound quality on the Pulse Explore, and it's really good. Playing on my PlayStation 5, the sound levels while you're gaming are great, providing quite an immersive experience, giving excellent detail on the sounds around you when you're gaming with a good amount of bass. I've played a number of different games on my PS5 and the Portal, and the background sounds and ambient noises are really clear. You can hear footsteps and gunfire in the background, and to be honest, I'm really impressed with the quality from the earbuds. I've used the Pulse Explore for everything from gaming, listening to music simultaneously via the PS Link and Bluetooth, and seriously, the Pulse Explore gives really good quality with that extra crispness and detail to everything you're listening to. Gaming on my PC with a USB PlayStation link adapter was good too, providing a great experience. Let's test out the integrated microphones to give you a better idea of what the sound quality is like.
So I've plugged in the USB adapter into one of my PS5s at my gaming desk, and I've started a multiplayer gaming session in Fortnite with my Xbox Series X, and I'm recording the mic quality the other person would hear. And this is the quality to expect from it, which is pretty good, as you can hear for yourself. And this is the quality via Bluetooth recording on my mobile, which is pretty good, as you can hear for yourself, and just shows how versatile the headset is, working on both the PlayStation and via Bluetooth. The earbuds also have AI-enhanced noise rejection, which isn't to be confused with active noise cancelling, as it doesn't have that. So the noise rejection technology simply allows the earbuds to limit unwanted sound while you're speaking. So as an example, I've got a packet of crisps here, and I'm ruffling this, give you an idea of what it's like, and then opening the packet up and eating some crisps. Hopefully that will give you an idea of how good this works. It's quite interesting seeing this in action, as not something you see on other headsets. And from my previous tests, it actually worked pretty well. The way it works is by identifying your voice, and it isolates and removes any unwanted noises that doesn't belong to your voice. So for example, if I'm eating something, that won't come through, and all you'll be able to hear is my voice. Now this is pretty impressive, as you could be eating something or drinking something without having to worry about muting yourself. And just to note, there's no mute button on the headset, so you'll have to mute via the controller when you're gaming, or if you're on the phone, just hit the mute button on there.
Onto battery life, and you get 5 hours from the earbuds and an additional 10 hours via the case, as you can get 2 charges from it. So a total of 15 hours, which isn't too bad. So in summary, the new PlayStation Pulse Explore wireless earbuds are a great addition to the PlayStation 5 ecosystem. They have the same black and white PS5 theme with some nice detailed touches on them. They're plug and play and work straight out of the box with the AI enhanced noise rejection, which removes any noises and isolates your voice. And you have multi-device connectivity, giving you some great functionality. Sound quality is clear with good clarity and detail from the planar magnetic drivers, giving an excellent amount of detail when gaming. Price wise, they come in at just under £200 or $200, and although they do have some really nice features, I do think they're a little bit overpriced, especially as battery life is just 5 hours and they don't have any active noise cancellation. What do you think of the price? Let me know in the comments. But overall, they're a good pair of wireless earbuds, which are both convenient, especially if you want to chill or play on the go with your Portal or use it with your mobile. So there you have it. You come to the end of another video, and I hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Details are in the description below, including purchasing links. If you have any questions on this, then let me know in the comments below. For those of you who got to the end of this video, please leave a comment with Pulse, as it's awesome to see who's got to the end of my video, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. You can follow me on my socials. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to be notified of my next release. Thanks for viewing, and see you in the next one.